Alright, so one of the next things we gotta do is pull the jointer from this new home here in the corner. We don't actually have much to joint though. Actually, I'll show you guys this before I swing the camera around. These pieces I'm going to end up gluing up to make the bottom section of the face frame, but they have a cup to it. Not sure how obvious that is on camera. Let's see, man. And yeah, you guys can see the cup. It's a little more noticeable when it's not on camera, but we're about to joint that out before we glue it up. Just because if we glue it up and they both have opposing cups, we'll be losing that much more thickness after jointing it. So if we joint them both first, we'll keep the material thick as possible. It's a little bit to set up the jointer for this, short, small process, but it's worth it. And let's bring the camera over here. That should work. That is one thing I definitely do need to do. I need to get more holes for the dust collector so I can actually mount it up on the wall, so I don't have to reset up these things constantly. And cut upside down. Let's actually mark them so I don't get them mixed up. I'm going to joint both of those pieces. And do I need to joint these two? Might as well. Alright. Grab us some push paddles and we'll get set up to knock these out. Alright, so we have built a face frame out of that red oak that's going to work for the drill press cabinet. One of the benefits of the face frame is that's going to cover this lower area right here, so it's not just going to be an open space. We're going to glue and nail this in place. And then we're going to start attaching all of our drawer fronts. So what I'm going to do is lay this on its back, spread glue around the cabinet itself, and then set the face frame down on it. And just like that, we have now spruced up this cabinet. It has a red oak face frame. I can always put a either a lacquer or an Odie's oil finish on this, and I'll definitely spruce up this cabinet a lot. I could always stain the outsides afterwards. The next step though is to get all the drawer fronts and everything else attached to the drawers. So if you guys have enjoyed this process, let me step down a little bit. If you guys have enjoyed this process, please let me know. Leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.